Welcome back to the Pterodactyl. It's a 5 and a 7's coming with 6412.
7 clear, Stratford West.
Is that a long 568? Scanning between the V Intercity and the CN, just by in case if 568 does their call out and 87 does their call out at the same time or whatever. Like if 568 does the slow to clear call and 87 does the SM call. 6412.
Jim, right side, 87.
Yes, the last call was at 568 with 4790 slow clear Stratford West. But here's A7 with 6412, which was actually right beside 568 actually. I'll pass. Not go across, but I'll pass. Wow, this is definitely gonna be one of the quickest station stops ever.
Location 8861, crossing activated.
Go across. So this is what I could get. Oh, what a horn show! What a horn show that just was! Thank you all for watching this video. Please subscribe, like, hit the notification bell. See you in the next video. Goodbye.
8861, crossing deactivated.
Did you just say that, trespasser? Come on.